What is up guys, Stan this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your plagiarism report in Grammarly. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Grammarly or you can type app.grammarly.com. After typing, click on this first official website of Grammarly, and after clicking on this website, you will be redirected to this page of Grammarly, where if you are new to Grammarly, on the left side you will see the sign up option, or you will see it on the right side. Just simply sign up with your email and password, and after that you will see the option of new document. So just simply click on new document and then create your own new document with the title and the content. So as you can see, this is my recent document. Now I'll just simply click it once to open it. And when I click on check for AI text and plagiarism, uh, though I don't need to click here because this shows me all the reports like the correctness, the clarity, the engagement, and the delivery. And this shows that we found one more way to improve your text with ProGrid for unlimited access. So when I click on check for AI text and plagiarism, uh, remember guys, Grammarly only checks the normal AI plagiarism, but if you want a detailed plagiarism report, you need to get the pro version of Grammarly. Now here is the pro version. You can just purchase it if you want, but if you don't want a premium version and you want to check the plagiarism in the extensions, just download the extension known as Plagiarism Checker. Yes, guys, this is the extension that checks the plagiarism and gives the report. If you want to install this extension, just go to your Chrome Web Store by just clicking on the three dots on the right side at the top and then hover to extensions and then click on visit web store. After going to the web store, search for plagiarism checker, and this extension with the P icon will appear. Just install that extension and add it to your browser, and then you will be able to check the plagiarism. But make sure guys to click on it once to turn it on, and then just select some text, and then you will see the plagiarism check. Click on that and it will check and give you the plagiarism report. So this is how it is done. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.